your brain flow, and it tells you your heart rate, obviously your sleep and everything. So yeah.
And can it distinguish between cognitive load and physical load?
Yeah, it does, and there are a few things adding up as well, and it is yet to come out. So
Sindhu, how do you assess the conditions here?
the conditions are pretty good, is what I feel. I mean, irrespective of however the match was, it was easy or easy scores. But I think it was important to go out there and see the court conditions and know how the shuttle is. And I really, I mean, they're really good. I really liked it. So yeah, that's my personal opinion.
How about walking into a first match of the World Badminton Championship? How do you look at it, regardless of the what is your experience?
I think it was. I was very excited to get onto the court. I think that was the first thing that would come into my mind, and that came into my mind. In fact, when I was getting into the court, because you're playing in your home ground, and the crowd is waiting for you to come into the court, and the cheering. So I think it really gives you that kind of goosebumps when you get onto the court. That there are people with me to support me, and to keep me going.
Were there butterflies in the morning? The first World Championship match.
I think, yeah, I mean, actually when I was entering the court, I did have, because I mean the atmosphere is completely different, when you play on your home ground. So yeah.
Regardless of the opponent or the result, and you've spoken about playing at home, first match and everything, but how important is it to get the first match out of the way? Because regardless of how big a player you are, it's always jittery when you start off. So.
Yeah, I think definitely that does happen to a lot of athletes, including me, where first time you're getting into the court, you don't know how the conditions are, you're a bit jittery, you make a lot more mistakes, and then slowly you get used to it. But I think today I started off well. I started off with a big lead, even though I was giving 2-3 points here and there, but I still could maintain that lead. So I think it was a good start for me, and I was comfortable throughout. So that was good.
You've been asked this question a lot of times, obviously, 6th medal you're going for and all that, but is that a pressure or a privilege for you? The fact that there is that expectation, but also the pressure that you are supposed to win.
Yeah, I mean, there are expectations, and I will not deny that. There is a pressure as well, I won't deny that as well. But I think pressure is everywhere. It's not just that I'm playing here and, that is more pressure. No, I think pressure is everywhere. In different countries, we play with different athletes, the pressure is always there. But I think here it's definitely a privilege, and people talking about getting another medal, or, how do I think that, if I get another medal, I think that itself is a privilege for me, that, she's still chasing her dreams to progress and get that other medal. So that is definitely a privilege for me.
It was pretty much smooth sailing, but there was a bit of stutter in the second game. What was happening? Were you trying something, or were you struggling with the drift? What happened?
Yeah, I think I was sometimes it was going out like a little bit sidewards, but I think I could manage that. Yeah, it was like until 10 points, it was like she came close, like 7-8 points, and then after 11 points, of course, my coach was like, maybe play a bit differently or something like that. And I think after that, it was pretty smooth. But I think in the second half, I think in the second game, first half, I was trying a bit of, my drops or half smashes, which was going a little bit out. But I think, it's fine to try out. That is the time you try new things, when you're leading, and yeah.
Last question, guys.
सिद्धू ये एक बार फिर से समझना चाहूँगा, ये आपने एडजस्ट करना मुश्किल होता है, फोकस बार बार
नहीं, एक्चुअली मतलब ये पता नहीं चलता है जब हम लगाते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि कुछ है इधर करके, तो इट्स लाइक यू डोंट फील इट, इट्स नॉट वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल.
Does it help
Can
in
you just hold
tournaments like
this poster that you've been given?
Oh yeah, it was given by a young boy, which is very cute. I asked him to get it every day. He's like, no, ma'am, it's for you. I said, thank you.